In this video, we will discuss exercise 2.5. Okay, so first we have to know about some identities. So, some important identities are, first one is a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, then second is a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then third is a plus b in first bracket and in another bracket a minus b, so it will be a square minus b square. Then fourth one, a plus b plus c whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Fifth one, a plus b whole cube will be a cube plus b cube plus 3ab and a plus b. So it will become a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Then sixth one, a minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. So it will be a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b then plus 3ab square. Seventh identity is, suppose a cube plus b cube is given, so a plus b then a square minus ab plus b square. Now eighth one, a cube minus b cube, so it will be in first bracket a minus b and in another bracket all will be plus, so this will be okay. Now ninth one, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equals to, in first bracket a plus b plus c, in another bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc and minus ca. So in this, if ab is equals to 0, so this part will be 0, right hand side part will be 0. It means a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equals to 3abc if a plus b plus c is equals to 0. Then suppose x plus a and x plus b will be there, so it will be x square plus then a plus b x then ab. So these are some identities you have to remember. Now move on exercise 2.5, question number 1. First part, use suitable identities to find the following products. So first question is given x plus 4 and x plus 10. So it is based on this identity. Okay, so you have to write that this question is based on this identity. I am only solving this question. So it will be x square plus a plus b, so 4 plus 10 then x plus 4 into 10, that is ab, that will be 40. So it will be x square plus 14x plus 40. Okay, in all these question you have to write identities. Now second one, x plus 8 x minus 8. Okay, so x square plus 8 minus 10 x plus multiplication of 8 and minus 10, so 8 into minus 10, so it will be x square minus 2x minus 80. Now third one, 3x plus 4, 3x minus 5. If you don't remember these identities, so you can simple multiply also. Okay, so here will be 3 and 3, so 9x square, then 4 into 3, 12x, then 5 3 is 15, that is minus 15x, then 5 4 is 20. Okay, so it will be 9x square minus 3x minus 20. Okay, fourth one, y square plus 3 by 2 in first bracket, in another bracket y square minus 3 by 2. So which identity is this? Yes, that will be a plus b and a minus b. So it will be a square minus b square. So a square is what? This y square, the square, then minus sign 3 upon 2 square. Okay, so finally it will become y to the power 4 minus 9 upon 4. Fifth one, 3 minus 2x and 3 plus 2x. Okay, so this a minus b and a plus b. So a square, that is 9 minus 4x square. Okay, then move on the next question. Question number 2. Evaluate the following products without multiplying directly. Okay, so first part is 103 into 107. So it can be written as 100 plus 3 and 100 plus 7. Okay, so first we have to multiply it by this 100. So it will be this 10,000, then plus 300 plus 7 into 100, 700, and 7 3s are 21. Okay, so it becomes 11,021 final answer. Okay, second part, 95 into 96. In all these question you have to write the identities. Okay, 95 into 96, so it can be written as 100 minus 5, then 100 minus 4. Okay, so multiply, this will become 10,000, this minus 500, then minus 400, then plus 20. Okay, so when we finally solve it, so it will be 9,120. Move on third part, that is 104 into 96. So it will be 100 plus 4, then it will be 100 minus 4. So a plus b, a minus b. So it will become a square, that is 100 square minus 4 4s are 16. So it will be 10,000 minus 16. So answer is 9,984. Now third question is factorize the following using appropriate identities. Okay, so first one question is 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. So we can write it this 3x whole square plus this will be y whole square, then 2 into a into b, so 3x into y. Okay, so it will become 3x plus y whole square. So this identity is a square plus 2ab plus b square is equals to a plus b whole square. Now move on the second part, that is 4y square minus 4y plus 1. So it can be written as 2y whole square, then plus 1 whole square, then it can be written as minus 2 into a into b. So 2y into 1. Okay. So it will be 2y minus 1 whole square. Move on next question. The next question is third part, x square minus y square upon 100. So it can be written as x square then minus y upon 10 whole square. So a square minus b square. So it can be written as, in first bracket, a plus y upon 10, in another bracket x minus y upon 10. Now question number 4, that for expand each of the following using table identities. Okay, so first part is x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. Okay, so this identity we know, a plus b plus c whole square, so it will become a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, so we have to expand it. So I am explaining the first part, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab, that is 2ab. Okay, then 2bc, so 2b and c. Okay, plus 2ca, 4z into x. Okay, so it will become x square plus 4y square plus 16z square plus 4xy plus 16yz plus 4zx. Okay, second part is 2x minus y plus z whole square. Okay, so 2x minus y plus z whole square. So a square, that is 4x square, b square, this will be y square plus z square. Okay, then 2 into a into b, so 2 2s are 4xy with minus sign, so it will be minus 4xy. Okay, then again minus 2yz, then plus 2 2s are 4zx. Then move on the third part, it will be minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z whole square. Okay, so it will be 4x square plus 9y square plus 4z square, then 2ab. Okay, so it will be minus 2ab, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12xy, then 2 into this b and c, so 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 plus 12yz, then 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 with minus sign, 8zx. Okay, fourth one, 3a minus 7b minus c whole square. Okay, so it will be a square 9a square plus 49b square plus c square minus 7 3s are 21, 21 into 2, 42 with minus sign, so it will be 42ab after this minus and minus becomes plus into 2, so plus 14 BC minus 3 2s are 6 AC. Okay, now fifth part is minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z whole square. Okay, so it will be 4x square, then 5 5s are 25, so it will be 25y square, then 9z square, then 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20 with minus sign, that will be 20xy minus 5 3s are 15, 2s are 30 with minus sign, so 30yz, then plus 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12 with plus sign, so 12zx. Okay, sixth part, a upon 4 minus b upon 2 plus 1 whole square. Okay, so it will be a square plus b square, b upon 2 square plus c square. Okay, then plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, now it will be a square upon 16 plus b square upon 4 plus 1, then it will be 2 and 2 will be cancelled, so minus ab upon 4, then here 2 and 2 will be cancelled, minus b plus, so it will be a upon 2. Okay, then move on the next question. So question number 5, factorize the given polynomial. So 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. Okay, so you have these identities, so which one will be applied in that question? Okay, so you can observe there is squaring identities is, it will this and this, these are the 4 identities which can be applied, but here there are so many terms, so you can relate with this identity. Okay, so now we have to make this, we have to try to make this. Okay, so let's see, this can be written as 2x square, this will be a square plus b square, yes, plus c square. Okay, these 3 will be fine. Okay, now it can be written as plus 2ab, so 2 into a b. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 xy. Okay, then here the minus sign, it means any one of them will be minus. Okay, so I am just writing here. So what will be the formula? 2ab, then after that 2bc. Okay, so 2 into 3y into 4z. Here you can see this is positive, then we want negative sign, so maybe it will be negative. Okay, so here you can write minus 4z. Okay, then here is also minus, yes, it means our assumption is right. So it will be plus 2 into ca, 2x into minus 4z, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, that is 16xz. Okay, So it is 2x plus 3y minus 4z whole square. Okay, move on second part. It will be 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2xy plus 4 root 2yz minus 8xz. Okay, so in the same way we have to make this can be written as root 2x whole square plus y square plus it can be written as 2 root 2z whole square. Okay, now we know which one will be negative, so I am just trying to make it. So it can be written as then plus 2 into AB. So 2 into AB. Okay, then 2 into BC. So both are positive. It means here this will be positive. Okay, yeah, this will be negative. So here we can write it this. Okay, so here you can write this. So then another is 2 into y into 2 root 2z. Okay, then plus 2 into this 2 root 2z into minus root 2x. Okay, so it will be minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z whole square. Okay, but in answer it is given this will be positive and these two are negative, so not to worry, you just take minus sign as common. Okay, so it will be minus root 2x minus y minus 2 root 2z, then it will be square. So minus and minus becomes plus. So answer is root 2x minus y minus 2 root 2z square. Okay. Now next question is question number 6. Write the following cubes in expanded form. So 2x plus 1 whole cube. Okay, so we know that a plus b whole cube will be a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, so it will be 2x whole cube plus 1 cube plus 3, then a square, that is 2x whole square into 1 plus 3 into 2x into 1 whole square. So final result will be 8x cube plus 1 plus 12x square plus 6x. Okay, then second part is 2a minus 3b whole cube. So it will be a cube, that is 2a cube plus, here this will be cube plus 3 a square, that is 2a whole square into minus 3b plus 3 into 2a then minus 3b square. So final it will be 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 36a square b, then it will be 54ab square. Okay, now third part will be 3 upon 2x plus 1 whole cube. So first bracket 3 by 2x whole cube plus 1 cube plus 3a square, that is 3 upon 2x whole square into 1 plus 3 into 3 by 2x then 1 whole square. So it will become then 27 upon 8 x cube plus 1 plus 27 upon 4x square plus 3 3 is 9x upon 2. Now move on fourth part, x minus 2 by 3y whole cube. Okay, so it will be x cube plus, this will be minus 2 by 3y whole cube plus 3 into x square, then minus 2 by 3y plus 3 into x, then minus 2 by 3y whole square. Okay, so final result will be x cube minus 8 upon 27 y cube minus, this will be cancelled, so minus 2 x square y plus 4 upon 3 because it will be positive, so 4 upon 3 x y square. Okay, in the next video we will discuss the rest of the questions.